In the last lesson, we wrote quite a bit of code to make the media player work and our buttons to turn on and off and loop the music when needed. In this lesson, it's going to be a nice, quick, short one to complete the entire application that we're working on, and that is to just lock the screen orientation of our screen because I've designed it so that it really is in a portrait type layout, not in a landscape. I'd rather not have the user be able to rotate the screen while they're working with the app. I want it to be in this vertical or portrait fashion. So let's go ahead and go to our code here, and I'm going to select the Android manifest file. And in the XML tab, I'm going to go ahead and write in some code to lock the orientation of our activity. So if I look at my manifest, I've got the opening and closing manifest here. It breaks down into the application that we're working with here, and then within the application I have my activities. Now I want to lock that individual activity. If I had multiple activities, I could change the code for each one of those specifically, but I only have one activity in this one, so it's only going to affect one activity. You can see that here's an Android attribute and another Android attribute. I'm going to go ahead and space down this closing part of the opening tag and allow myself some room to add another attribute. I'm going to go ahead and type in Android colon, and then here are my options. If I scroll down, I can find the screen orientation option. I'll go ahead and double click that, and if I hit the control and spacebar, you'll see that I have quite a few different options to choose from for this attribute. I'm going to go ahead and pick the portrait orientation. Okay, that's actually it. I'm going to go ahead and save it, and my activity now is locked into the portrait orientation even if the user decides to rotate their screen.